When it comes to treating erectile dysfunction, Viagra and Cialis are household names. These medications are well known for their effectiveness in improving erections, but did you know they offer several additional health benefits? Beyond the bedroom, these drugs provide a range of therapeutic effects that can improve overall health and well-being. Viagra and Cialis are FDA approved for treating pulmonary arterial hypertension, a condition marked by high blood pressure in the arteries of the lungs. These medications help relax blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing the workload on the heart, which can significantly enhance quality of life for those affected. Emerging research suggests that PDE5 inhibitors like Viagra and Cialis may improve heart function in certain types of heart failure. They can enhance exercise capacity and overall heart health by improving blood flow and reducing strain on the heart. Cialis is also FDA approved for treating benign prostatic hyperplasia, a condition characterized by an enlarged prostate. It helps alleviate symptoms such as difficulty urinating, frequent urination, and urinary urgency by relaxing the smooth muscles in the bladder and prostate, improving urinary flow and comfort. Some studies indicate that PDE5 inhibitors can improve insulin sensitivity, which is beneficial for individuals with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. By enhancing the body's response to insulin, these medications can help manage blood sugar levels more effectively. Improved erectile function and sexual satisfaction can positively impact mental health, reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression often associated with sexual dysfunction. The confidence and enhanced quality of life that come with successful treatment can lead to overall improved mental well-being. Research suggests that PDE5 inhibitors can enhance exercise tolerance and reduce exercise-induced fatigue. By improving blood flow and oxygen delivery to muscles, these medications can help individuals perform better during physical activities and recover more efficiently. Viagra and Cialis may help alleviate symptoms of Raynaud's phenomenon, a condition characterized by reduced blood flow to the extremities, causing fingers and toes to feel cold and numb. By improving circulation, these medications can reduce the frequency and severity of attacks. There is some evidence that these medications can be beneficial in preventing and treating altitude sickness by improving oxygen delivery and reducing pulmonary artery pressure, making high-altitude adventures more comfortable. While the benefits of Viagra and Cialis extend beyond treating erectile dysfunction, it is essential to consult with a healthcare professional before using these medications for any off-label uses. A healthcare provider can help determine the appropriate treatment and ensure that it is safe based on your individual health conditions and needs. When it comes to obtaining medications like Viagra and Cialis, it is crucial to choose a trusted provider that ensures safety, discretion, and affordability. PrimeBody is dedicated to offering a seamless and secure way to access these medications, along with a range of other health and wellness products. PrimeBody is committed to providing medications that meet the highest standards of safety and efficacy. Our team of licensed healthcare professionals ensures that every prescription is tailored to your specific needs, taking into account your medical history and health conditions. You can trust that the medications you receive are genuine and sourced from our reputable manufacturers. We understand the importance of privacy when it comes to your health. PrimeBody offers a discreet and confidential service, ensuring that your personal information is protected at all times. Our convenient telemedicine platform allows you to consult with healthcare professionals from the comfort of your home, avoiding the need for in-person visits and long waits at the pharmacy. PrimeBody is dedicated to making healthcare accessible and affordable for everyone. We offer competitive pricing on all our medications, including Viagra and Cialis, without compromising on quality. Our goal is to provide you with the best possible value, ensuring that you can manage your health effectively without breaking the bank. Optimizing your health and well-being is easier than ever with PrimeBody. Whether you are looking to improve erectile function, enhance cardiovascular health, or explore the additional benefits of Viagra and Cialis, PrimeBody is here to support you. Trust us to provide safe, effective, and affordable solutions that fit your lifestyle. Visit PrimeBody.com today to learn more and take the first step towards a healthier, more fulfilling life.